Alright, today we're working on Old Blue. So, ever since I bought this truck, I have not liked the smaller front tires and the bigger back tires. It's just not my look. So I've always wanted to get tires that size to meet the front. And obviously we've got some issues because we're rounding out tires, even though there's nothing really wrong with the ball joints, tie rod, everything seems okay, but something's not right. I don't know if it's a toe setting or what it may be, so we got to look into that. But we got some of these. So these will match the back tires, go on the front. The old 275 60R15s. That should look the same as the front, or sorry, look the same as the back, go in the front, and we'll see what she looks like. But for now, we need to get it over here and get it jacked up and get the wheels off. Stay tuned.